For Premiere Dazzles monthly kit, we have 4 beautiful Dazzle sheets, and that's what members get every single month, is 4 of them always before anyone else. Now, what they have this month is this engraved Dazzles. Now, it just may be May, but that members are getting things for the fall because they get them first. And look at these engraved Dazzles. They are clear material and just easy to peel up, just so gorgeous. Wait till you see the project. There's also Halloween Dazzles. Yes, that's right, it's coming up. Our never before seen Dazzles are the dolls in this gold, and wait till you see the project. And then we also have a larger Dazzle sheet. This is from Joyride, which is going to be out in September, but members get them early, just like I said. Now, members always receive papers to create from their projects right away. And there are 6 sheets. They're 12 by 12. They are single-sided, and they're selected to complement the Dazzles. So that's what's happening this month. Now, there's always a special little gift. Well, this time there are 2 of them, and they are this glittery cardstock. One of the purple is kind of corrugated, and this one has stripes. Again, wait till you see how they're used. Now, the newsletter comes with the kit. It's going to show completed projects and complete instructions also. Members receive a special offer, and then there's a look at one of the other Premiere clubs. So let me show you what the design team has done. Going with the engraved ornaments, look at this. And yes, it's using that sparkly paper as well as the printed paper. Isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely stunning and so easy to do. And on the inside, there is another look at it. Wow, gorgeous. And for Halloween, those are black Dazzles. You can back them with paper. We've backed them with the glittery paper also. And as you can see, you can use just a variety of good looks behind there. And you see down there, that's one of the little borders. Bats are fluttering all above. And then another strip just on the inside. So happy Halloween. And for our Joyride, isn't this perfect? Also using that glitter paper. And isn't this perfect with the paper with that border horizon line along the bottom, a bicycle built for 2, all full of flowers and balloons. And on the inside, friend, that's a nice sentiment. Enjoy the ride. Another piece or another card that's been done with the Joyride is this. Life was meant for good friends and great adventures. And on the inside, joy. Isn't that a sweet, sweet card? Now, our never before seen Dazzles, the dolls, look at her. Doesn't she look glamorous with that red glitter paper behind her? And just very pretty best friends. And on the inside, fabulous wishes. What a very fun birthday card to get. Well, as you can see, every single month is full of brand new product, special surprises, papers to complete your projects, and 4 fabulous projects from the design team to kind of kickstart your creativity. We would love to have you join our Premiere Dazzles Club. We also have cutting die club, a stamp club, card making, scrapbooking, mixed media made easy, templates plus, something for everyone. And every month is a delightful surprise, and always you get them before anyone else. Just go to paperwishes.com, go over on the right hand side, and you'll see Premiere monthly kits. Click on that. You can see the wide variety and what's in every single month. And I do want to tell you, you don't have to sign a long-term contract, but we know you're going to love the creativity and the great value. Plus, it's so much fun to get them before anyone else. We hope you'll join us in the Premiere family.